Hi, creative besties. I was thinking if I should make a voiceover for this because it is so simple that even a complete beginner can do it. And you just have two, you just need two strips, just two strips of 4 centimeters, and you're going to be making this lovely butterfly bow. Yes, it's a lovely butterfly bow, and it's really pretty and it's so easy to make. Yes, in less than 5 minutes, you're done. So you just need two strips of 30 centimeters. You're going to be folding it like so, and then you make sure that you always secure your ends with your light source. But I'm using this one to just get the middle like so, and then you just apply a little bit of your hot glue gun, just a little bit. Yes, just a little bit. Like I said, it's so simple, so easy. That's how I teach my students. Very easy for complete beginners. Yes, and then you fold in the two ends into the middle like so, and make sure it is straight at the other ends, and then you turn the back. Yes, it's so easy to do. Yes, we're just using that light source to make sure that those ends are well folded. Yes, because we're going to be working on them. And the next thing you're going to be doing is to cut off the excess from the back. You can see. So you just cut off the excess. It's so easy. Even this voiceover looks like it's a bit of an overflow, but that's fine, especially for those who would like to understand it better. So all you just need to do is just cut off that excess, and we are almost done. We are almost done. Sincerely, when I tell you we're almost done, we're almost done. It's really simple for everyone to learn or to know. So these are many more I'm going to be showing you, learning, teaching you in the Creative Bees Masterclass holding in February. Now this class is for complete beginners to learn how to use your hands for creativity and use your hands for lovely and beautiful things. Now all I just did was just to secure the edges of the side I cut with the hot light source. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be folding again right to the middle again. Can you see? So I'm folding to the middle again, and that's front and back. That's what it's going to give you. And then you're going to be putting on your stitches. Yes, it's so easy. And I teach my students easy peasy lemon squeezy ways to do fabric roses, hair accessories, and fabric accessories in all ramification. Again, you're going to be learning about 50 different fabric roses. So if you're interested, send me a comment, Creative Bees, and I'm going to be sending you the link to register. Classes start in February, and it's going to be really awesome. It's going to be really beautiful because you're going to be having all of this information and many more right at your fingersteps, at your doorsteps. Yes, just from the click of your phone. So I've already just make the stitches, and then I pull. You can see how I pull it. Now I've always tell my students that you should pass back your needle. These are some of the things I'm going to be teaching in my class. Pass back the needle so that you can have it secure. Now this one I didn't pass it back, but always pass back your needle. Yes, pass back all the way through, and then you'd see it being really secure. So what next thing you're going to do now is just to put your hot glue gun and adhere it to. I've done one, we'll do the other one. Just use a smaller piece of ribbon to hold it together like so with your pin, and then you join it, and that's all. You can add whatever embellishment you want just to make it look pretty. So I'm using this butterfly, and this looks really lovely. This looks really good. I love the outcome of this creation. Would you be joining my class? Yeah, if you need, I have them on my Etsy and eBay shop, 4 pieces for £12. So join me in the next one.